Before she won the Marilat Dream Kitchen Contest, Linda Parody's kitchen was not only unattractive, it was tiny and just wasn't functional at all. The new space is much larger because the dining room wall is gone and the fridge has been moved away from the stove. Now Linda has lots of places to display her pottery collection, and the old pantry has been replaced by 2 new pantry cabinets which provide storage and make the space much more attractive. The new tile floor in the kitchen blends beautifully with the laminate floors in the dining and entry areas, and the quartz Denova tops add a touch of elegance to the warm, homey feel of the new cabinetry. Just as promised, it really is a dream kitchen. Well, Linda, you know, people tell me all the time when they remodel parts of their house, particularly their kitchen, that they can't really remember what the old kitchen looks like. So we wanted to make sure that you remembered what your kitchen looked like. So we got you a little bit of the...
You all saved the brick!
We got you some of the old backsplash that you love so much, and a little picture of the old kitchen there.
Oh, that is too precious. Oh my goodness.
Hey, thanks for allowing us to be a part of this and everything.
Thank you so much. I'm blessed.